Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you've never been here before. Today I am unboxing for FGNORMAL. I have done one other unboxing for them. It was quite a while back and they were kind enough to ask me to unbox a few more of their items. So just before we get going, happy Canada Day to all of you Canadians. And then as well, happy 4th of July to all of you Americans, which will be on Monday. My birthday is tomorrow. That is when this video will be out. So happy birthday to me. Yay! But it's a great long weekend and I hope you guys enjoy it in every way. Okay, so let's get into this. Again, if I didn't already say it, thank you to FGNORMAL. I'm just going to put the bag off to the side so that you're not hearing me crinkle it every single time I grab something. I am going to share the descriptions to all of the items I'm going to show down in my description. Sorry, share the links to all of the items I'm going to show down in my description. Those aren't affiliate links, those are just links to get you to the product. This is a budget-friendly site, so you do have to keep in mind that sometimes if you just have to do your own due diligence so far as copyrighted or non-copyrighted material. And the other thing is everything I'm going to show you in USD funds. That was the budget they gave me, so I'm just going to stick with that. So this first one, let's see what this is. It is a diamond painting. Okay, so this is a very tiny diamond painting, and I'm just gonna like roll it. I believe this is an 18 by 18. Oh, sorry, 15 by 15. It's super tiny, but I thought it was really cute, and it is bubble style. So just get you going. They start you off with a basic kit, pen, green boat, and pink wax. Gonna throw that off to the side. Most kits will come with that. Let's just do a really quick measurement. So this is 15 by 15. Let's see how they shorted it. Oh, I'm on inches. Oh, wow, that is 15. Like, if it's not 15, it's slightly less than 15. I mean, how much smaller could you go, right? And this one is 14 3/4. So I guess they shaved a tiny bit off on this one, but that's okay. We kind of expect that with the budget-friendly sites. And sorry for the crinkling, guys. Just going to take a quick look at the drills. There's not a lot. Wow, this does not even have a legend on it. So I guess you just kind of... Where is the legend on this? Like, do we make it up as we go? I'm just trying to figure this out. Give me one sec, guys. Okay. Okay. I have figured it out because I have brain cells that are working today. Lucky me. So it is numbers and letters. There is no other symbol. And on this one, the number on the bag is the number on the canvas. So it took me a minute to find the one, that's what threw me off. So 1 would be the number 1 on the board. And then once you get past down here, you get into the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and H. No G. Okay. So you've got kind of a gold, a burnt gold kind of color for number 1. Number 2 is black, not a lot of black in here. And then number 3 is more of an orange crystal. And these are mostly crystals. This is just a plain black drill. Then you've got a green for number 4. Number 5 is a light blue. Number 6 is a purple, light purple. 7 is just plain white. And then we get into the letters, which A is a kind of a gray, smoky blue. That's pretty. And then we've got some bigger of the kind of gray blue. They look like they're similar in color. And then an even bigger one of those. So, of course, you know, those 3 sides, this is what gives the bubble effect. And then we've got some tiny little Yeah, these are tiny little yellow, and then medium yellow and large yellow. So that's it for the drills. Now let's just take a look at the canvas itself. Super clear. I'll just tell you guys right now. So I'm just going to lift off this corner here and see if I can straighten this out just a tiny bit for you guys. Nope. Well, that's okay. We'll lay it flat for a little bit. It does have kind of the sort of plasticky feeling canvas. Well, not plasticky, but just like really hard. But look at the drill field. It is super, super clear. There's going to be no issues with doing any of that. In fact, this one is going to be fun and it will be really quick. So really, I thought it was cute. I just saw it there and I thought it was so cute and I thought I would do it. I don't know. It just, my eye was drawn to it. But that is the first one. Very cute. And this is a little giraffe holding a flower. So I'm really, actually, I think it will be quite cute when it's done as well. And let's just put that one off to the side. Oh, and just to let you know, so the giraffe, it says it's an 18 by 18 on their website, but it says 15 by 15 here. So I guess if it was 18 by 18, you know, usually they go smaller, so maybe it would have ended up being a 15 by 15 anyways. This one is the giraffe crystal drill, and it was $4.89 for that. So this would be a really, really tiny, bite-sized, like, quick little project to do. That would be very cute. That would be very cute, not would be. This one, okay. So this one, I'm just going to roll this and see if I can get it to kind of lean the right way. Sorry if I'm shaking my camera, guys. So again, same kit, just going to throw that over there. Not even going to describe it again because I described it in the first one. And this one I saw and I thought it was so kind of neat looking, a little bit different from anything that I've done. I'm looking again and the drill field looks really, really clear. It doesn't look like any of the colors are going to cause me problems. And I'm just going to bring that up and show you guys so that you can get the close-up on it. Like, super clear. Lots of what I would call black. This one has a ton of black. And then these are the drills. And these ones came pre-bagged, which is really great for all of you who... I wish they would tell you that on the site, you know, which ones were pre-bagged, because some people don't like kitting up. I really like kitting up. This one has 20 colors. I do like the layout of it. It does look like there's some blocking. It's just not sporadic. I mean, I'm sure there are some parts that are in through here and stuff. But for the most part, it looks like it's going to be fun and pretty straightforward to do. So now it's showing me 19. Is this 20? Oh, that's 20. Okay. So it's showing me the colors here. So you get 2 bags of the black. And then this one is $3.40 is the DMC, and it's kind of a like a lavender color, I would say. Like it's a mauvey, no, not mauvey, gray purple sort of. This one is just a gray, number 3, a darker purple, number 4, a really light purple, that's nice, bright yellow. I almost call this like a butter, well no, this is like corn on the cob yellow. And then another yellow, number 8, and that is $7.28. I do like how they've stamped on each of these bags the bag number or the color number. That's kind of cool. That's a softer yellow, kind of a pale blue. I like the packaging on this one, you guys. That's a light blue, a light pink. I'm just looking at, as I'm looking at them, I'm trying to look at the drills themselves, and they look pretty good. I'm not seeing a lot of junk floating around in them. I don't know about static. I won't know until I open them. Number 13 is $9.19. That's kind of like a burnt orangey brown, well, more reddy brown, maybe rust colored. 14 is like a chocolate brown, or yeah. 15, 3363. It's a kind of like a, I would almost, not like a forest green, but a little lighter than that. Definitely a plant color to me. And then there is another light pink, number 16, and that's 3609. Oh, I really like this color. This is like a navy with a gray undertone to it. I don't know if you can see that very well, but I really like that color. That is 3750, and then a bit of 3756 is number 18. That's got a very pale blueness to it. And then this, just like a straight pink, number 19, 3801. And then the last one is 3837, and it is a dark purple as well. So, like I said, really, really like the fact that they put those into baggies, and I don't care what the order is here. I'm just going to shove them back in the bag, otherwise they'll go everywhere. Okay, so let's do our measurement. This one is a 30 by 40, and this one is called Colorful Flower Butterfly, but yet I don't really see a butterfly. I see puzzle pieces and a flower. So some of the names they give are a little bit strange. So this one, oh, I'm always on inches. This one is about 25 by 34 3/4. So this is typical, a little bit under the measurements that they say. Super sticky. Oh, I didn't do that right. The canvas is the same. It's kind of that, like, to me it feels a little, like it's very stiff. It's a very stiff canvas. Almost has a bit of a plasticky feel to it. So you will have to just kind of straighten it out a little bit. But other than that, everything else about this one looks really good. And I love this picture. When I saw this, I was just like, I have to do this picture. So really like it. Really, really like it. And oh, I didn't even notice that. It says be kind right here in the stem. I really like that. That's awesome. Very, very good. Like it. Okay, so let's just roll this one up. And this one, oh my goodness, I just like smacked the crap out of the camera. Sorry. The Colorful Butterfly Flower was $6.04 USD. So wow, that's not bad. Okay, next item. So this is called Drill Cleaner for Clumpy Drills. It was $2.43, you guys. This is like I need one of these. I've come across enough paintings that have had oily drills. So if you have oily drills, what you would do is just kind of, let's see if I can snap that open. Put your drills in here, put a little bit of soap in it, and then you close it up, and it's got the mesh so that, and also holes here. So basically you just kind of, whoops, you just kind of swish it around by pushing this little thing here, and it gets those drills all kind of swashed and washed and submerged in the soap. And then, yeah, you just rinse it under your tap and then lay them out to let them dry and put them away. So like, I thought this was a really useful tool, and was, when I saw it and I saw that it was so cheap, I thought I would share it with you guys, because I'm sure I've noticed this, I would say mostly in budget friendly sites, but every now and then you get a bag that's just clumpy and oily. I had one, I'll try to post the video footage of it up on the screen here, where I showed it was this abstract face I did, and the drills were just sticking together, and it was kind of hard to work with. And there are paintings that I really like, but I end up not being very happy with them because of the drills being kind of oily. So I like that. Awesome. Thank you, FGNORMAL. I really needed that one. And then this is, it's called Diamond Painting Sealer, and it was $6.11 USD. It says painting finish. I think if I saw, yeah, it looks like almost like a bingo dauber. But they say not to dab it like a bingo dabber. Dabber, whatever you want to call it. So open up this and then just kind of like put some down on your painting and then spread it around. I've heard other people open similar stuff to this and just swear by it. So I am excited to seal my painting. So this is what you would use to kind of seal your paintings if you have paintings that had maybe like not as sticky glue or some popping drills and you want to make sure that it stays safe. You would use something like that. And last item they sent me. So this was a good haul, you guys. 5 items. And this last one is another cutesy kind of one. I saw it kind of in the same area that I saw the giraffe painting, and I thought I'd give this one a try too. I don't know. I just wanted to do something different. So again, your basic kit. Just going to toss it over there. And it is a bubble style, very, very tiny, and the dimensions on this one say it's 18 by 18, but again on here it says 15 by 15. So let's just kind of try to smooth that out a little bit so I can get it flat. What I'm noticing, so same canvas, it's the more stiff canvas. I will have to lay this flat under something just to get the crease out. But it's the same idea. So really quickly, again, it looks like numbers and letters, and so that you would just follow what's on here. So 12 colors, kind of an orange, again some black, a red, a very, very pale gold color. That's actually really pretty. A green, a lighter green, a lime lighter green. Yay. Dark blue, light blue, and then we've got some white, and then some tiny silver, medium silver, and large silver with a red stripe. So another one that's going to be really quick to do and probably look pretty cute when it's done. Let's just take a look. The canvas is the same, super, super clear. And I don't know. I thought it looked goofy and cute, so I wanted to share it with you. And I don't know, maybe I might need a few little itty-bitty snack size paintings to do. So another great FG Normal haul. I believe my last one I enjoyed just as much. I will leave a link to that video if I can find it up in the eye symbol in the corner. And so you guys can go check that out. But I think I remember, if I'm remembering correctly, it was a fun one to undo or unbox as well. Thank you again to FG Normal for sending it to me to share with all of you guys. And then also, if you like these types of videos, then please give me a thumbs up. Or you could just give me a thumbs up because it's my birthday on the day that you're seeing this. And then also, if you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. Once I hit 1,500, I am planning on doing a giveaway, and I'm getting pretty close. So that should not be too long away. And other than that, you guys, take care, hug a loved one, enjoy your long weekend, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an FG Normal unboxing, and I don't know what's in this bag, but oh my goodness. Oh, look at you. I just wanted to introduce you guys all to my little new baby. Hi. I got him last Friday, so I've had him for 1 week today. His name is Jasper. He's just so adorable. You're kind of upside down here, buddy. Hey. Hey. Hi. He's so cute. You're so cute. Hi, baby. Anyways.